Navigating the world of KYC, Know Your Customer, within the blockchain realm can be akin to charting a course through uncharted waters. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology introduces a unique set of challenges that demand innovative solutions. As blockchain's global reach extends across borders and industries, understanding the critical role of KYC in maintaining regulatory compliance, security, and trust becomes paramount. But there could be an answer to making the KYC process in the blockchain more secure and streamlined: iDenfy. In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is KYC in the blockchain, and how iDenfy's onboarding service can help with your KYC needs. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video, where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. We also have a great opportunity for you, so keep watching until the end to find out what it is. So, on to today's video. What is KYC? KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a process used by financial institutions and businesses to verify the identity of their customers or users. Its primary goal is to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities by ensuring that individuals or entities transacting from a platform are who they claim to be. KYC involves the collection of personal information, verification of identity documents, and the assessment of risk associated with each customer. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger technology that records transactions across a network of computers. It often described as a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. Here are some key characteristics and concepts related to blockchain. Decentralization. Unlike traditional centralized systems, for example banks or government databases, a blockchain operates on a decentralized network of computers, often referred to as nodes. This means there is no central authority or single point of control. Distributed ledger. The ledger, or record of transactions, is distributed across all participating nodes in the network. Every node has a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring transparency and redundancy. Immutability. Once data is added to the blockchain, it is extremely difficult to alter or delete. This immutability is achieved through cryptographic hashing and consensus mechanisms. Security. Blockchains use advanced cryptography to secure transactions and control access to data. Transactions are verified by network participants, nodes, through a consensus mechanism, such as proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. And transparency. The blockchain ledger is typically public and transparent, allowing anyone to view the transaction history. However, the level of transparency can vary depending on the blockchain's design. In summary, a blockchain is a decentralized, secure and transparent digital ledger technology that has the potential to revolutionize various industries by providing trust and efficiency in data management and transactions. Why KYC is essential in blockchain? KYC is essential in the blockchain space for several important reasons. Regulatory compliance. Many blockchain projects and cryptocurrency exchanges are subject to financial regulations and anti-money laundering AML laws in various jurisdictions. Implementing KYC processes helps them comply with these regulations, reducing the risk of legal issues and regulatory penalties. Preventing illicit activities. KYC procedures are crucial in preventing and detecting illegal activities, such as money laundering, terrorist financing, fraud, and tax evasion. By verifying the identities of participants, Blockchain platforms can deter bad actors from using their services for unlawful purposes. User protection. KYC adds an additional layer of security for users. It helps protect individuals from identity theft and fraud by ensuring that only authorized users can access and transact on the blockchain network. This builds trust among users and encourages broader adoption. And enhancing trust. Blockchain is built on the principles of transparency and trustlessness. By implementing KYC, blockchain projects can enhance trust within their ecosystems. Users are more likely to engage with a platform when they know that it takes measures to ensure the integrity of their participants. It's worth noting that the degree of KYC required in the blockchain space can vary. Some projects and exchanges may have stringent KYC processes, while others may offer varying levels of anonymity. Striking the right balance between privacy and compliance is an ongoing challenge in the blockchain industry, and different projects make different choices based on their specific goals and the regulatory environment they operate in. Does traditional KYC methods work in the blockchain? Traditionally, KYC Know Your Customer methods, while effective in centralized financial systems, often fall short in the context of blockchain technology for several reasons. For example, anonymity versus identification. Blockchains often operate on principles of users' pseudonymity and privacy. Traditional KYC methods rely on collecting and verifying personal identifiable information, which is in direct conflict with the notion of anonymity. This fundamental mismatch creates tensions between the need for compliance and the desire for privacy. Decentralization versus centralization. Blockchains are decentralized networks that aim to eliminate intermediaries and central authorities. Traditional KYC, however, relies on centralized databases and third-party verification services. This contrast between decentralized platforms and centralized KYC systems can impede seamless integration. Global and cross-border operations. Blockchain operates across geographical borders, attracting users from diverse regions, each with varying KYC regulations. Traditional KYC is typically designed for localized compliance, making it challenging to adapt to the global and cross-border nature of blockchain transactions. User experience and accessibility. Implementing traditional KYC processes can create friction for users, leading to suboptimal user experience. This friction can deter adoption, especially in decentralized finance applications, where accessibility and ease of use are critical for users' retention and growth. And scalability and cost considerations. Traditional KYC methods can be resource-intensive, both in terms of human labour and infrastructure. For decentralised platforms aiming to scale efficiently and reduce cost, this can be a significant barrier. Striking a balance between scalability and integrity of KYC checks is a complex task. But we think we have the answer to help streamline KYC in the blockchain. iDenfy. But who is iDenfy and how can they help? iDenfy have created a global digital identity verification and fraud prevention platform, helping organisations comply with the ever-evolving Know Your Customer KYC and anti-money laundering AML regulations. They provide businesses and organisations with tools and services to verify the identity of their customers or users online, helping to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with Know Your Customer KYC and anti-money laundering AML regulations. How can iDenfy help with KYC in the blockchain? iDenfy is a modern identity verification and KYC solution that can be a valuable asset when implementing KYC in the blockchain space. Here are several ways in which iDenfy can assist in blockchain-based KYC processes. Streamlined user onboarding. iDenfy's identity verification solution offers a smooth and user-friendly onboarding process. This can be particularly important in decentralized applications, where user accessibility and experience are essential for wider adoption. Compliance with regulatory standards. iDenfy helps blockchain projects maintain compliance with various regulatory requirements, such as anti-money laundering and know your customer rules. This is especially crucial for blockchain-based platforms that involve cryptocurrency or financial transactions. Efficient document verification. iDenfy's technology can efficiently verify identity documents such as passports, driver's licenses, and national IDs. This ensures that users are who they claim to be, adding a layer of security to blockchain-based transactions. Facial recognition. iDenfy's facial recognition capabilities can be integrated to match the user's face with a photo of their identity document. This enhances security and prevents identity fraud. Global coverage. iDenfy offers verification services for identity documents from various countries. This is valuable in the global context of blockchain, where users and participants can come from anywhere in the world. Customization. iDenfy's solution can be tailored to meet the specific needs and branding of blockchain projects. Customization allows blockchain platforms to maintain a consistent and seamless user experience. Advanced security. iDenfy employs cutting-edge security measures, including anti-spoofing and anti-tampering technologies, to ensure that the verification process is robust and secure. Scalability. As blockchain platforms grow and evolve, iDenfy services can scale to accommodate increasing numbers of users and more significant transaction volumes. And real-time verification. iDenfy's solution offers real-time verification, allowing for instant user verification, which can be crucial in fast-paced blockchain environments. But that's not all. With their cutting-edge technology, they have extended their reach to over 119 countries, covering every corner of the world. They're not just about quantity, they are also about quality and expertise too. Their specialised knowledge also extends to niches like gambling and fintechs, making them the perfect ally for industries that demand top-tier security and user verification. Whether you're looking to enhance KYC processes, boost your security game, or simply ensure a smoother, hassle-free onboarding experience for your users, iDenfy is the trusted partner that takes care of all your KYC needs. Well, there you have it. What is KYC? What is KYC in the blockchain? And how iDenfy's onboarding services can help with your KYC needs. Please let us know in the comments section of any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. Now for the exciting part. We've partnered with iDenfy to bring you this great opportunity at using their tool to help with all your KYC needs. So if you are a blockchain startup and need help with streamlining your KYC needs, head over to iDenfy's website where they will have a great offer for you. So what are you waiting for? Join them in reshaping the digital world. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.